What's up, squad? You guys see what we have here. We got an unboxing, we got UFC 4, and this is how we're gonna start this channel off. Just a little bit before we start, we're dedicated to just fun, living a good adventurous life, and maybe a little bit of knowledge about how we can be better. So let me start this unboxing here with the good old trusty rusty knife. I cannot wait. We're gonna do 3 builds. We're gonna do 1 striker, 1 kind of classical ground game, and then 1 that can do it all. Can't wait to see this. Alright, also I forgot to mention, on this channel, we're gonna really stress how to get things done with the least amount of money. Yes, being super cheap is gonna be something great on this channel. So the way I got this game, went up to GameStop, and I said, hey, how can I get this game for cheap? Obviously, GameStop sucks at trade-ins, but it's whatever. I had a bunch of games I didn't wanna play anymore, so I just took them up there and traded. Bought it for $24.48, and if you look, no lies, $24.48 right there. All right, it's real. These things are possible, and that's how I'm going to use these little tricks of getting things cheaper or buying, selling, and trading, so I can do my other part, that journey to GTR. I'm gonna get that GTR. I'm gonna say in about 1 year, hopefully less than that, 1 year, and I'm gonna get me a GTR, and you'll see which one I'm talking about soon.